In Python, we have three types of numbers. Two of these you have already seen before. They are integers and floats. We also have complex numbers. So complex numbers in math are in the form a plus bi, where I is the imaginary number. Now, if you're not familiar with this concept, don't worry. This is something that is used a lot in mathematics and electrical engineering. If you want to use Python to build web applications, you're never going to use complex numbers. But let me quickly show you the syntax for representing complex numbers. Instead of I, we use j. So here is an example, 1 plus 2j. So x now is a complex number. And by the way, as I told you before, this is just a comment or an additional note in our program. When we run this program, anything after this hash sign will be ignored. So these are the three types of numbers we have in Python. For all these types of numbers, we have the standard arithmetic operations that we have in math. Let me show you. So we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, but we actually have two different types of divisions. Let me show you. First, let's run this program. So with this division operator, which is a slash, we get a floating point number. If you want an integer, you use double slashes. Let me show you. So double slash, run the program, we get 3, okay? We also have modulus, which is the remainder of a division. And finally, exponent, which is left to the power of right. So 10 to the power of 3 will be 1,000. These are the standard arithmetic operators. Now, for all these operators, we have a special operator called augmented assignment operator. Let me show you. So let's imagine we have x set to 10. We want to increment x by, let's say, 3. We can write an expression like this, x equals x plus 3, or we can use an augmented assignment operator. That is a little bit shorter. So we write x plus equal 3. These two statements are exactly the same. Now here I'm using addition as an example. You can use any of these operators here. Next, I'm going to show you some useful functions to work with numbers.